Can you believe it? The very first look at the iPhone 17 Ultra is finally here, and trust me, this one is going to blow your mind. From its brand new design to the upgraded battery and powerhouse hardware, Apple is gearing up to launch what could be its most exciting iPhone ever. So, before we dive into the big reveals, let's talk about when this beauty is arriving. Just last week, Mark Gurman reported that Apple's official launch is set for the second week of September. And now, a fresh update from Mac Rumors suggests it's very likely happening on the 9th of September. At that event, we'll not only get the entire new iPhone lineup but also the latest Apple Watches and even the AirPods Pro 3. Now here's something interesting. Majin Buu shared a tweet showing that Apple has completely redesigned the internal battery. It now has a new shape and even a steel casing to help control heat. On top of that, Apple is reportedly introducing a new vapor chamber. All of this combined doesn't just improve efficiency and safety, but it also means the iPhone 17 Pro models will be able to squeeze even more power out of the A19 Pro chip, which is already insanely powerful. But that's not all. The camera upgrade this year is way better than expected. Reports claim the iPhone 17 Pro will feature up to 8 times optical zoom, a huge leap from the 5 times we got last year. This new zoom lens is going to take photography and videography to another level. Plus, Apple is said to be introducing a brand new Pro camera app, exclusive to the Pro models, designed to help users get the absolute best out of this upgraded system. Of course, with all these improvements, pricing is also seeing a change. Reports suggest the cost is going up by $50 across the lineup, except for the base model, which stays the same. Considering the rising cost of components and the tariff issues we've seen earlier this year, it isn't too surprising. And now, thanks to a leak from Sonny Dixon over on X, we've also had a glimpse of the entire iPhone 17 lineup in every single color. While these are just dummy models, they give us a solid idea of what Apple's next iPhones will look like. I've also created renders using the latest leaks to showcase the iPhone 17 Ultra's new colors and fresh design. And seeing them in hand really makes the difference when it comes to the design. Reports are slightly split. Some suggest a new rectangular panel while others believe it's going to look different. But one thing's clear: the camera module is getting bigger. And this alone makes the iPhone 17 look noticeably different from last year's model. It may not sound like a huge change on paper, but visually it stands out. So, what do you think of this new design? Do you like where Apple is headed, or do you prefer the older look? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'd love to hear your take. And remember, with the launch right around the corner, the leaks are only going to get bigger and faster. I'll be sharing all of them as soon as they drop, so don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. You won't want to miss what's coming next.